Hey, how you doing? Austin Hilton here. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Here we go. We're going to talk about the overall cryptocurrency market. Are we done with the crash? Are we out of it? Is the market rallying back? What's going on with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, you name it, some of the other top cryptos? What are some of the top cryptos that I think that are out there that are poised for some significant growth? We're going to cover all that in this video. All right, so let's do it. Let's go get started. Before we do, though, I always say something, then I forget to say it. I want you to drop in the comments below, what is your single favorite cryptocurrency? What's your favorite? That's what I'd like to know. I'm kind of taking a quasi poll just to get a feel. It doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it is. I'm just curious. It's one. Just give me one single. All right. So drop that in the comments below. Here we go. Let's go take a look at what's going on with the market. So as you can see, we are rallying back. We are coming back, guys. I really like what I'm seeing here. Bitcoin up 4% for 24-hour and 7-day respectively. Ethereum up 14% 7-day, 6%, 6.8% rather, 24 hours. Again, we got Bitcoin. Next major point of resistance is that $40,000 mark. If you look at the overall kind of trading chart, and let's see, kind of like right here, if you kind of look at, if you just kind of really doing some real quick look here, that's kind of the resistance level that has pushed us back down, is that $40,000 level you can see. And if you kind of want to get a real quick snapshot of what our support level looks like, our real support level is 33.8. That's where we've bounced back a couple of times right here. Let me show you these. So, we bounced here, and we bounced back, we hit here. We hit here and then bounce back up, We've done that twice. And same thing here. We've hit here and then been pushed back twice. Okay, so that's our support level is that exactly 33.8. Resistance is looking like it's approximately in the $40,000 range, which shouldn't be too shocking to you. And right now we're trading in that 35,000 range. Okay, so let's see, yeah, exactly 35,825, up 3.81%. Firmly believe that Bitcoin, guys, is $100,000 plus by the end of the year and moving on from there. There's a lot of discussion out there, $500,000 plus per coin, etc. I'm definitely part of that. Oh, the overall crypto market, 1.56 trillion. We've increased 5.33% back. I like what I'm seeing, and it looks like we're coming back for some really nice positive gains. Cardano looking really good, 19% in the last 7 days, 16% of that in the last 24 hours. I'm a huge, massive fan of Cardano 88. Their use cases, why it was built, everything that they're about. I'm a huge fan. I own Cardano. I picked up more, and I'm gonna even buy more. I definitely am a firm believer in this crypto. It's one of the best use cases on multiple fronts out there. I love what they're doing with the crypto. I love the charity, not charity, but the aspect of trying to help developing nations and things of that nature. Also the technology, I like everything about them. Okay, Binance Coin up 27%, up 8% in the last 24 hours respectively. XRP, like what I'm seeing here, coming back real nicely, bouncing back up. I'm a fan of XRP. I like that it's a business to business crypto. I like that. You guys know I like Doge. I've covered Doge quite a bit on my channel. I'm a fan of Dogecoin for different reasons than I'm a fan of other crypto. I like the meme aspect of this. I like the Doge army. I like everything about Doge. We got to get some more, positive catalysts going there, but I like what I'm seeing there. Polkadot coming back real nicely, 13%, up 4.9. Uniswap, look at this. Uniswap up 53%, guys, and up 14% in the last 24 hours. That's pretty cool there. ICP looking good, although actually looking in the last 24 hours, one of our few red ones we've got going on there in the last 7 days, kind of coming back from that 7-day scenario. Bitcoin Cash doing good. Chainlink up, look at that, dramatically nice up. Okay, so we're up nice there. Polygon, absolutely one of my favorites. You guys know I really like Polygon. If you're kind of looking at an overall scenario, what's going on with them, looking at Polygon's chart, the last 7 days, again, nice little bounce up from our low here of about $1.52. A little bit of volatility, a little bit of movement around there, but again, really like Polygon. You guys know that Mark Cuban put some money into them. Polygon is the use case. It's evolving around Polygon. And everything that I see going on with Polygon, I think that this is one of the ones that's going to be really stand out, similar to Cardano, kind of a long-term scenario. Really like Polygon. I'm a big fan of Polygon. We didn't really look at the Ethereum price point. You guys know, obviously Ethereum is Ethereum, and you basically can't be in a crypto and not own some Ethereum. I'm definitely a fan of ETH. Looking up there, 7 days looking good, 6.8%. Volume is down. We got to get some volume coming back in overall. Let me look real quickly. Yeah, volume down in Bitcoin as well. So the volume scenario is this kind of this gray bar down here. Excuse me, let me do 7 day. Apologize for that. Yeah, you can see kind of this gray chart down here is the volume. For prices to continue to go up and up and up, a little bit higher and higher, and for us to reach 40,000 for Bitcoin and say, the $2,900, $3,000 mark for Ethereum, we've got to have more volume. Okay, volume has overall left the market. We know that we've got money coming back in. The market's going back up, but just the other 4 or 5 days ago, I can't remember what it was, we were at 1.6 trillion, and we are increasing and coming back, but Bitcoin and Ethereum will lead the way, and the rest will usually the rest will follow, right? So kind of my go-to market strategy is I actually have picked up some Bitcoin and Ethereum while we've been at some of these lows, but I've been loading up on Cardano, definitely Polygon, picked up some more Litecoin, things of that nature. Kind of moving on. Let's see, some of the other ones I like. I like Ethereum Classic. I'm a fan of those guys, of that particular one. Some of these other ones I'm going to start looking into. They're kind of out of the top 20. VeChain has done well, 22%. Some of the other ones I need to start looking at more, kind of going to get into a little bit more, are like EOS, Theta. I need to look a little bit more. Filecoin. There's a couple others down here that Maker's one that's kind of on my radar. It's up nicely overall in the last 7 days. Here's Shiba Inu moving up to number 33. Crazy. There we are right there. We'll continue to see that. Shiba Inu is coming back a little bit, up 2.93. I know. Okay, so we got Shiba. You guys know I cover SHIB a fair amount on my channel here, because frankly there's a tremendous amount of interest in it, and so that's one reason I cover it, to make sure you guys have the latest and greatest news there. I wanted to show you guys this real quickly. If you go, then you can get over here. This is still on CoinMarketCap, and if you look at some of the spotlight gainers, losers, and things of that nature, I always like to kind of look at this because there's some interesting ones here that are developing. So we've got some that are trending. You've got this one. I'm just going to say Come Rocket Crypto, and I'm like, okay, is that what I think it is? My point to showing you this is that there is a crypto out there for everybody, okay? And what is this? This is obviously a crypto targeted at the adult industry. And so if you click on their website page right here, it's the deflationary DeFi token disrupting the adult industry. And what it is, it is right here. It is a deflationary token that will be used as a tipping, messaging, custom content, and sexting currency on our NSFW content platforms. These include our brand new NSFW and NFT marketplace, as well as our private content subscription platform. Hey, whether you like it, hate it, don't, whatever it is, my point to you is that there is absolutely a crypto out there for every single utility use. It's just out there, right? And so that's something that I really do kind of love about crypto. And look, it's trending. It's up over 41%. And, so there you go. There's some information you may not have known. Then that, by the way, you can find it right here. It's under trending. This is just kind of a snapshot here. Some overall gainers and losers. I like to look at this every now and then because there are always some that'll pop up. These are not necessarily ICOs. These could be relatively new, but they have to do over 50,000 gained to have the in the last 24 hours to kind of show up. So you got gainers and losers. So there's some that are kind of coming on. Frankly, I haven't looked at all these, but look, this Crypto Village Accelerator is up 453%. Kisuku Inu, I kind of feel like this one, Jindo Inu, these are kind of copies or variants off of like the Shiba Inu scenario. Again, the branding is very similar. things like that, right? So probably still mostly deflationary usually deal. Luna Doge, obviously a kind of a knockoff of Doge scenario there. And you continue to kind of see, Chibi Inu. You continue to see these kind of clones that come out. Here's Moonshot, obviously a variation off of Safe Moon. That's actually a loser if you kind of look over here, kind of where these are down. So they could, guys, one day be over here and guys next day be over there, right? I mean, so you kind of have a scenario playing out there. We'll see how it continues to develop. But frankly, it's not. It could be. My point to making you aware of this is that this is a free tool. It's over on CoinMarketCap, and you just go to their top gainers and losers or trending. Also, I look at this one a fair amount. Most visited. This is one that usually, frankly, kind of has its pulse on what even you guys are asking me for. What happens is that usually you guys start to ask me for some of these, like HODL, HODL. That's one that you guys have asked me about a couple of different times. It shows up in the comments a lot. So that's one that I'll probably will do a video on here in the near future. Look, there's Jindo Inu right there, number 4. These are the most viewed cryptocurrencies on CoinMarketCap, guys. So I know that a lot of you guys follow my channel. You came to me via Dogecoin and Shiba Inu videos and things like that, or maybe these overall briefings. And so if you're kind of wanting to keep an eye on what some of the most viewed, and usually what transpires here, guys, is most viewed really a lot of times equals interest, okay? And so, Shiba Inu right there, still number 3, outpaced by Bitcoin, but HODL, look at that. HODL has more views than Bitcoin right now. So this is the hottest one going. Does that mean it's the best one going? No, not necessarily. It's just the one that kind of, it has a lot of interest in it right at this particular moment in time. All right, guys, so let's wrap up with kind of where we're at in the overall market. I think as we continue to see Bitcoin and Ethereum grow and start to get back on their feet and continue to kind of, continue to move up, I think we will be good, and I'll be here covering it for you. So I think we've come out of the micro crash or whatever you want to call it. The overall market is looking pretty good. And if you kind of look at this track, for Bitcoin, again, kind of where Bitcoin and Ethereum go, we tend to follow. So Bitcoin, we bounced off of our support lows. We're kind of moving back up and potentially looking to go up to test that $40,000 range. We'll see how it plays out in Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All right, I'll see you later, guys. Take care. Bye.